Mitchelton is a great suburb for first home buyers and growing families. It provides everything you need for a sensational lifestyle. By that I mean there's great transport, there's plenty of green space, you've got easy access to shopping at Brookside Shopping Centre, plus there's all the delights along Blackwood Street if you like eating out and coffee. 46 Hicks Street has a super cute facade. Behind the facade though is quite a spacious entry-level property. It all flows along the one level, and what I like is you've got a separated dining and living space, and then you've got two well-sized bedrooms, and then this multi-purpose room at the back of the property that you don't really expect, but it's a great working space. It could be used as a guest retreat or a second living area. And then that flows out to a couple of outdoor entertaining options as well as a grassy level backyard.